Here's how to create a route on Zora. On the Charts screen, long press anywhere on the chart and select New Route. That places your first waypoint. Each additional long press adds another waypoint. Zora draws the leg between them and shows the bearing and distance for each segment as you build. To reposition a waypoint, tap it. A blue ring appears around it. Pan the map and the waypoint follows. It snaps to nearby waypoints or to your boat's position for precise placement. Tap outside the waypoint to confirm. An edit toolbar appears at the top of the screen. Close to discard, undo and redo for mistakes, trash to delete a selected waypoint or the whole route, and save. When your route is ready, tap Save. The Save Route dialog has 3 tabs. Use the Data tab to set the departure name, destination, and a description. Use the Organize tab to file the route into a folder. Add 1 or more tags. And set a country, useful if you sail across borders. There's a separate video covering how to create and edit folders and tags. Tap Save and the route lands in your routes list, ready to navigate. That's it, 1 route down.